Ragù alla Bolognese, often simply referred to as Bolognese sauce, is a rich and hearty meat-based sauce that originates from Bologna in Italy. The history of this iconic sauce is deeply rooted in the culinary traditions of the Emilia-Romagna region, known for its rich and flavorful cuisine. Nowadays, ragù alla bolognese is served with egg tagliatelle, a broad, flat pasta that is well suited to the hearty sauce. The oldest known recipe for a meat ragù being served with pasta, maccheroni al ferretto in this case, is from 18th century Alberto Alvisi, the cook of Cardinal Chiaramonti, Bishop of Imola near Bologna, and later Pope Pius VII. The sauce is based on minced beef or veal or pork or chicken gizzards in a roux-based sauce with spices and optional mushrooms or truffles that are still reminiscent of Renaissance cooking, as with cinnamon. The earliest documented recipe for a meat-based sauce called alla bolognese appeared in Pellegrino Artusi's cookbook La scienza in cucina e l'arte di mangiar bene, which means Science in the Kitchen and the Art of Eating Well, published in 1891. Artusi's recipe featured a sauce made with ground beef, pancetta and vegetables, but still no tomatoes inside. Mushrooms and cream are proposed as additional options. However, the sauce as we know it today evolved over time. The use of tomatoes, which are now part of the Bolognese sauce, became more prevalent in the early 20th centuries as tomatoes were more widely available and accepted in Italian cuisine. For the modern Bolognese sauce recipe, I am referring to the recommendations of the Accademia Italiana della Cucina.